Hello everyone, my name is Gene. I'm going to talk to you today about a subject that is essential for any Amazon seller. Why 99% of them fail on this online sales platform. If you're a newbie seller, you'll quickly discover that the competition on Amazon is fierce. Every day, thousands of sellers try their luck on this platform, but only a few of them actually succeed. What we're going to reveal to you today could be the key to outperforming other sellers on Amazon. We'll give you some insight into the pitfalls to avoid and the practices to adopt to succeed on this platform. If you're ready to learn more about why sellers fail on Amazon, if you're ready to learn how to avoid common mistakes, then don't skip this video. What we're about to explain could change the way you sell and become a successful seller on Amazon's platform. If you're ready to start selling on Amazon and achieve financial freedom, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. By subscribing, you'll have access to exclusive tips, free training, and proven advice to help you succeed on the largest online selling platform. Join our growing community of accomplished sellers and find out how you too can achieve your financial goals. So don't wait any longer, click on the subscribe now button to make sure you don't miss out on your journey to success on Amazon. We'll see you right after this.
Did you know that 99% of new sellers fail on the Amazon platform? This may seem discouraging, but it is essential to understand the causes of these failures and to learn how to avoid them. Searching for products can be complicated for beginners, so choosing the right products is crucial to maximizing your chances of success. According to a recent study, 42% of novice sellers fail due to poor product selection, while 27% make a mistake in their analysis of the competition and 14% fail to find a reliable supplier. Product selection is the key to success on Amazon, but many new sellers start selling on Amazon without knowing how to choose the right products and run into failure. Experienced sellers, on the other hand, focus only on high-demand, low-competition niche products, while taking into account seasonal product sales cycles and observing industry trends. They also provide excellent customer service to enhance their reputation on the Amazon platform. New sellers should therefore avoid choosing products that are too common or too competitive. They should focus on a very specific niche. For example, they should not sell just any phone cover, but only phone covers for the latest smartphones, phone covers for sportsmen, or phone covers with an exclusive design. To understand this issue of product selection, let's take another example. If you want to be successful on Amazon, you need to understand how to choose products that have a high sales potential and that stand out from the competition. Let's say you want to sell running shoes on Amazon. If you simply type running shoes into the search bar, you will see thousands of products available. You might think it's a good idea to sell running shoes, because there are so many similar products. But in reality, it's a very, very bad idea. The competition is far too strong for you to succeed by selling generic running shoes. Instead, you need to find a specific niche and sell running shoes for a well-defined target audience. For example, you can specialize in selling running shoes for women or beginner runners. Product quality and customer service are also important for success on Amazon. Sellers should constantly strive to improve the quality of their products and customer service to satisfy their buyers and get good reviews. You can, for example, join the Amazon FBA program to get the best customer service. In summary, to be successful on Amazon, new sellers should research products thoroughly before listing them, focus on niche products with high demand and low competition, take into account seasonal product sales cycles, provide excellent customer service, and constantly strive to improve the quality of their products.
The second reason many sellers fail on Amazon is that they don't know how to optimize their listings to attract customers. An optimized listing is essential if you want your products to be visible on Amazon, and if you want customers to buy your products rather than your competitors. The competition on Amazon is fierce, so standing out from the crowd is crucial to your success as a seller. To do this, you need to make sure that every aspect of your listing is optimized to attract customers. It is necessary to understand that customers use specific keywords to find products on Amazon, so it is fundamental that these keywords are included in your listing. For example, if you want to sell women's yoga leggings, it is important to look for relevant keywords for that product and include them in your product title and description. Relevant keywords could include terms such as women's yoga leggings, women's activewear, and high-quality leggings. However, don't just include the relevant keywords in your listing. You also need to make sure that your product title is clear and concise, and that it accurately describes what your product is and what it can offer customers. You should also write a detailed and attractive product description that explains the benefits of your products over your competitors. A well-written product description should highlight the unique features of your products and the benefits they offer to customers. For yoga leggings, for example, you might include information about the quality of the materials, the durability of the product, the breathability, and the ability to stay in place during exercise. High-quality images are also essential to optimizing your listing. Customers need to be able to clearly see the product they are purchasing. You can include multiple photos of your products from different angles, showing important details such as seams, textures, and patterns. Finally, customer reviews and ratings are also crucial to optimizing your listing. Customers often read reviews before deciding to buy a product, so the more positive reviews you have, the more likely customers will buy your products. In short, optimizing your listing is key to attracting customers and convincing them to buy your products, rather than those of your competitors. It is imperative to understand that every aspect of your listing must be optimized, from the title and product description to the images and customer reviews. By following these steps, you can stand out from the competition and greatly increase your chances of success as a seller on Amazon.
It's common to see new sellers enthusiastically launch on Amazon, but quickly fail. Among the many reasons for this failure, one of the main ones is poor inventory management. Yet, inventory management is essential for any seller on Amazon. Sellers who are unable to meet customer demand due to lack of inventory risk losing sales and loyal customers. On the other hand, sellers who have too much inventory risk losing money in storage and processing fees. New vendors often face these problems because they haven't yet figured out how to effectively manage their inventory. To avoid these problems, it is essential to have a solid inventory management strategy. This starts with forecasting the demand for your products. If you know how many products you sell each month, you can forecast how much inventory you'll need to meet demand. You can also use sales analytics tools to track market trends and adjust your inventory accordingly, like Helium 10's Amazon inventory management software. Forecasting demand can seem difficult, especially for new vendors who don't yet have meaningful sales data. In this case, it is advisable to start small and observe sales trends over time. It's also important to consider peak times, such as the vacations, when demand is higher. By anticipating demand, you can avoid stockouts and maximize your sales. Another crucial step in inventory management is working with reliable suppliers. If you can't get the products you need in a timely manner, you risk missing out on sales and disappointing your customers. It can also affect your reputation on Amazon, which is built on customer satisfaction. So it's crucial to work with reliable suppliers and maintain a trusting relationship with them. Working with multiple suppliers can also help reduce storage and processing costs. If you can get products quickly, you can ship them to customers faster, reducing the time spent in Amazon warehouses. This can help you save money on storage and processing costs, and improve customer satisfaction. Finally, tracking inventory levels is essential to avoid overstocking or out-of-stock situations. It is important to closely monitor inventory levels and take steps to avoid overstocking or out-of-stock situations. For example, if you find that your product inventory is starting to run out, you can offer a discount to entice customers to buy quickly, or you can work with your supplier to expedite delivery. In summary, effective inventory management is essential to success on Amazon. Beginning sellers who don't manage their inventory properly risk losing sales and loyal customers, as well as money in storage and processing fees. By adopting a solid inventory management strategy that relies on demand forecasting, strong vendor relationships, and the use of inventory management tools, you can maximize your sales and profits, and provide excellent customer service.
Thank you for taking the time to watch our video about selling on Amazon. If you're here, you're determined to succeed on Amazon, and we're here to help. Subscribe to our channel to receive regular updates and exclusive tips for growing your business on Amazon. With the right tools and strategy, the possibilities of making money on Amazon are endless. Check out the links to the best software such as Helium 10, AMZScout and AMZScout, with their promo code in the video description. We want to hear from you. Leave us a comment to submit a topic, which could be the subject of a future video on selling on Amazon. If you enjoyed this video, leave us a like to encourage us. And finally, we have a new video that will interest you. Click on this video to discover even more tips and tricks about selling on Amazon. See you soon on our channel.